Hi there, and welcome to another tutoring video from me, this tutor. And this time we're looking at the Edexcel iGCSE topic for America, 1918 to 1941. And we're looking at some of the social problems in the 1920s, and we're going to look at a describe question skill. Okay, so in this video we're going to use our knowledge of some of the social issues of the 1920s in America, particularly looking at race and also the views of Christians and the monkey trial. We'll practice a couple of describe questions. So revise your knowledge on those themes. We'll have a quick quiz. Then we'll go through the questions and you can use your revision guide to write your answers and also to pick out your notes and your ideas. So let's revise your knowledge now and have a quick quiz. So here's the quick quiz, 8 questions then testing knowledge particularly on Black Americans and some of the issues around society, and talk about the monkey trial and fundamentalism in America as well. So looking at those areas in your revision guide, you can also look at my talk through video about these themes and revise knowledge and then have a go at this quiz. So pause me now and give it a go. Okay, let's go to the answers then. So number 1, what percentage of Black Americans lived in the southern states of America? That's around about the start of this topic. So 85%. Remember, that's where the slaves were brought into America to work. So that's where slavery was, mainly in the South. Now in the 1920s, we get something called the Great Migration, where Black Americans in the South start to move north and also partly west as they migrate to try and get better opportunities and jobs. So about 2 million migrated in this time. That of course makes populations increase in other areas in the country. So we've got an example of Harlem for question 3. Population was 15,000 in 1914. What was it by 1930? So 165,000. And that of course lead us to things like the Harlem Renaissance and the Black American culture that develops there. Number 4, name the film in 1915 that made KKK heroes. That's The Birth of the Nation, suggesting that the KKK were protectors of white people against black criminals in the era of the Reconstruction America after the Civil War. And it's giving this false impression perhaps of the role of the KKK in America and making them into heroes in the 1920s. Number 5, name a famous black musician from the Harlem Renaissance. You could have Louis Armstrong or something like Duke Ellington involved in jazz and music culture in this time. Number 6, what did fundamentalists believe about the Bible? Well, they believed it was all true. And name the law that banned the teaching of evolution. So that was the Butler Act. And then in terms of the monkey trial, who was arrested for teaching evolution? That was John Scopes. And we'll talk about that in more detail as we go through the lesson. So let's start looking at a question and planning our answer then. You'll know from our first video with the described questions I went through the success criteria of how to do that. And the basics of it is we need to give 2 points, each supported by a couple of sentences of good factual evidence to get our 6 marks. So let's spend some time planning now. What are 2 features of the Ku Klux Klan? We need to think about some points of argument we're going to make. Then we need to think about some evidence to back it up. So have a look through my talk through videos now, or have a look through my revision guide, and see if you can find some points that represent features of the Ku Klux Klan, things they did, things they were, and then some evidence to back it up. So pause me now and have a think. Okay, so here are my ideas. So one point you can make is that the KKK maintained racism and segregation in the South. They supported the Jim Crow laws in the South by threatening Black Americans and ensuring they weren't voting. Of course, there was lots of lynching and threats as well. This meant that the Black Americans stayed as lower class citizens, lower pay, without any voting rights. A second idea, of course, could be looking back to one of our previous themes around immigration. The KKK put pressure on the government about immigration control. After the Birth of the Nation, a large KKK emerged with around 5,000 members. Many of them were white Protestants who wanted to maintain a white Protestant America, fearful of the arrival of non-white people, but also Catholics and other religions that would start to take away from the white Protestant nature of America. And that led to immigration controls by 1924 of only 150,000 new people arriving in America. Okay, so you might be wondering how you write this answer if you haven't done one of my videos before. Now, in terms of this describe question, it's about making 2 points, each supported with some evidence. So you can set up your answer by repeating the question back. So one feature of the Ku Klux Klan was that set out an idea. So it was that they maintained racism in the South, for instance. Then give you evidence. For example, they did this, and then repeat the process. Let's go through the first answer together, step by step, and then you can complete the second part yourself. Let's go with an idea about how the Ku Klux Klan was causing problems, perhaps a feature of it. So in your revision guide, you'll find a writing plan. You can fill it in as you go. So if you haven't got my revision guide, you can use a piece of paper, of course. So one feature of the Ku Klux Klan in the 1920s was, I think back to our plan, we talked about how maintaining racism in the South. So how are you going to set up the idea? So pause now and write your opening point. Okay, so I said one feature of the Ku Klux Klan in the 1920s was that they enforced racism and segregation in the South. So now we need some evidence for that. So, for example, now think back to the plan, think back to the revision guide. What sort of evidence could you give to back that idea up? Pause me now and put some ideas. Okay, so I said, for example, in the southern states, Jim Crow laws existed that segregated black Americans and gave them fewer rights. The KKK used lynching and threatening tactics to ensure the South remained segregated and the black Americans did not have equality. Let's look at a second idea now. Our second idea is about immigration controls. So let's set up our point now and give our evidence. So another feature of the Ku Klux Klan 920s was, what do you think you'd say for that? How are you going to open up that paragraph? Pause me now and give your opening sentence. So I've said another feature of the Ku Klux Klan 920s was their support for immigration controls. Nice and simple. Set up your idea nicely. Okay, now let's give some evidence. Go back to the plan, go back to your revision guide. How are they ensuring immigration controls? You might need a few sentences for this. Pause now and away you go. As I said, for example, a mass organisation of the KKK emerged in the 1920s after the birth of the nation, represented the KKK as heroes. 1920s, the KKK therefore had over 5 million members. They pressured the government to bring in immigration controls as they wanted white Protestants only in America. So in 1924, the government limited immigration to only 150,000 people a year. There is our described answer. Haven't really got they did this because in there, because it's not an explain question, just got our description. So now you have a go at this one. You can find this in your revision guide. Describe 2 features of the monkey trial. So look back at my video, back at my notes on sort of Christian ideas in this time. See if you can give a full answer. I have an example answer in the next part of this video. So pause you now and give it a go, and then you can look at the example answer to assess your work. Okay, so here's my example answer. Now remember, your points can be different, your evidence can be different. It's about the skill level you're looking at. Have you written similar ways, similar amounts of facts, information? Okay, so here's my idea. I've said one feature of monkey trial was it led to more support for the fundamentalist view in favour of evolution. For example, William Jennings Bryan won the case and ensured that the Black Act remained as law. This led to the law expanding across to states like Mississippi and obviously lasting for decades more. Another feature of the monkey trial was that it led to more support for the modernist view in urban America. So we've got Bible Belt for the first point perhaps, and rural America, urban America becoming more challenging of this fundamentalist view. So for example, in the trial, Clarence Darrow mocked the fundamentalist view by asking whether Jonah was eaten by a whale and whether the world was really made in 6 days, so challenging some of those Bible stories. Intense media coverage from the northern cities led to many people laughing at the fundamentalist views. The press made a mockery of their ideas. There we are. A nice simple answer, setting up 2 different views and features, and then giving some evidence to back it up. Okay, I hope you found that useful and you developed your skills and revised some of your knowledge there on that America topic. If you did, then do subscribe. Do look out for my playlists, all sorts of help on there, and also my revision guide. Hope to see you again soon. Bye bye for now.